This is what you call 86 No Can Do Village. You see how it's so beautiful? Yep. This is our land. Ew. The biggest land ever. Oh, here. Yep. Very beautiful out here. Oh, Auntie Juliet. Oh my goodness. I think she's gonna say, "Nan, she bought got I know what she's thinking. But I got it. But now she bought it will do. No, but she's wrong. I already took a shower. I gotta go. They're here. What the heck? Can you close this real quick?
Oh my gosh, Jenna.
It'll show how strong you are, man. Can I have some though? What the hell, they have some of that?
¿Qué es eso?
Crazy. Very bon.
Did you do the normal kind?
Hey.
Did you bring me?
Go eat ice cream in the room. She's here. The owner has arrived. Oh, did I ever thank you for the thing?
Oh.
Yes, I did. Okay.
Don't take my picture.
Okay. Just gonna say thank you. You know you like it.